Hi guys, so as you can see, I have bunch of cute clothes lined up at my back. These fits are so cute, and also the best thing is that they are really great for maternity wear as well. So I'm pregnant, I need something cute to wear. So let's start this Savannah haul. So the first thing I'm wearing is this denim dress, and all the sizes and the price will be mentioned somewhere here. But look at this dress. I will be showing you here as well. But this is denim dress, but still it's like not thick. It's very thin material and it's so flowy and so breathable. So आप इसे ऐसे भी पहन सकते हो अगर आप pregnant नहीं हो तो फिर. But I am pregnant and I need something to breathe and have a space. Like this has so much space, and it looks so cute. And not to mention, it comes with the pocket as well. I've been wearing it ever since I got this, and this is like the comfiest outfit you can own as a maternity clothing. And also अगर आप maternity wear में नहीं भी पहनना चाहते हो तो आप भी ऐसे ही भी पहन सकते हो. ये बहुत ही cute है, बहुत कोरियन वाला look देता है. So this is really cute, really breathable and very comfortable. I'm gonna live on it. और हाँ, ये थोड़ा ना shiny वाला effect भी देता है. As you can see, it looks like denim, but denim that is very lightweight and also that shines through. So this is like a perfect wear for summer, especially for maternity wear. So the next dress is this gingham printed dress. This is actually a cohort set. So इसके साथ आता है ये top, really pretty top. Like look at this. I've never seen anything cuter than this in a while. So ये इतना अच्छा लगता है पहनने में भी. So let's talk about the top first. इसको आप ऐसे भी पहन सकते हो कोई भी jeans के साथ अगर आप चाहो तो. And also the skirt, इसमें mesh detailing भी है. So it's not just your plain simple gingham जो skirt होता है, इसके साथ mesh detailing है and it looks so unique on its own. So आप इसे top के साथ, जो भी top के साथ पहन सकते हो और इसे जो भी jeans के साथ पहन सकते हो. But I prefer it wearing both of them together. And इसका पीछे जो है इलास्टिक है ये टॉप का पीछे, सो इट्स गोना फिट यू वेल अगर आप अपने साइज़ में लेते हो तो. एंड ऑल्सो द ग्रेट थिंग अबाउट दिस इज़ दैट इट कम्स विद डिटैचेबल. दिस फ्लावर इज़ डिटैचेबल. सो अगर आप ये फ्लावर्स का इतना बड़ा फैन नहीं हो तो आप इसे निकाल के भी ऐसे ही पहन सकते हो. बट आई लाइक द लुक, सो आई एम गोना कीप दिस. And yes, the skirt part is also very comfortable. So this is like so breathable and I really love both of this together. So this is gonna be the cutest maternity wear for me. Now let's come to the ultimate princess dress. This dress is like a dream. If you're going on a vacation, I would definitely recommend to get this one because this is like so flowy and the color is so pretty. This is like a blush pink color, लेकिन इतना pink नहीं है, बहुत ही light pink and it's so soothing to the eyes. So summer days में तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा लगने वाला है. ये भी जो इसका फ्लावर्स है, यू कैन ऑल्सो डिटैच दिस वंस एंड आप अपने हिसाब से कहाँ में लगाना है लगा सकते हो. बट ये मुझे डिटैच होके आया था तो मैंने इसे ऐसे लगा लिया एज सीन इन द पिक्चर. सो आई रियली love this dress a lot. And yes, this is so comfortable again, and this is like so breathable. Like this has so much space and this is like so flowy and so feminine. It's absolutely giving the princess vibes and I really love this one. Okay, so next is this dress. This is actually a cohort set. I did not try this prior filming to this video, but I am trying right now just to give you guys a review. So this is giving a total Aladdin Jasmine wala vibes. Like look at the arms. ये तो transparent है ये arm side, but the front part, ये जो top part है और ये skirt part जो है वो transparent बिल्कुल नहीं है. So I really love the color palette. Again, really great for summer days. The color palette is so soothing to the eye, like white and grayish वाला जो blue tone होता है, ये flowers all over the cohort set. I really love this dress and I'm so glad that I can wear all of these dresses post my pregnancy as well, so I am so glad. But इसका जो skirt है वो इतना stretchable नहीं है, so stretchable ही नहीं है I would say. ये अभी तो fit आ रहा है, but I don't know बाद में fit आएगा कि नहीं आएगा after 1 month. So let's see. But अभी के लिए तो ये बहुत ही pretty है, so I can wear this right now. So yeah, this is like really cute summer dress. This dress, guys, I love. I just tried it and I am in love with this dress. I mean the fit, and also इसमें इतना bump दिखता भी नहीं है. So this is like so pretty, and also I love this wide वाला जो straps वाला look है. This is giving me like Princess Belle, but ये blush pink में है. And only downside about this dress is I would say इसका जो texture है थोड़ा सा itchy feel देता है, बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा itchy feel देता है. But other than that, this is like a really comfortable flowy dress, and I really love this princess kind of dresses. आप इसे कुछ occasion में भी पहन सकते हो. So I'm definitely looking out to wearing this on occasions, and I really love the pink, blush pink color of this, because this is complementing my skin tone. So I am in love with this dress. So if you are not a big fan of itchiness, so I would tell you to skip this, but other than that, you can go ahead, look out for this dress, because this is giving an ultimate princess vibes. This is the last dress, and I have been eyeing this dress for such a long time now, even before my pregnancy. So मैंने ये बहुत सारा influencers and models को पहनते हुए देखा है Instagram में, and also on Pinterest. It looks so chic, and इसका जो ऊपर का जो part है, ये top part, this is like a plain black कलर में है ये, एंड नीचे जाके ये ऐसा फ्लो वाइट एंड ब्लैक कलर में फ्लो होता है पैटर्न्स में. दिस लुक so chic, so chic and so elegant. So I wanted to get this one, but मुझे ये थोड़ा weirdly fit आता है, maybe because I have a belly right now. So अगर आपके साथ belly नहीं, I mean if you're not pregnant, this is gonna look so good on you. But इसका जो material है थोड़ा spandex kind of है. So I think it looks good when it's on, but it's just, it fits a bit weird on me. But you can try this without the belly. I think this is gonna look good. And yeah, this is like a really simple dress that you can wear everywhere, and you're gonna look very chic and elegant with this dress with right accessorizing. So yeah, this is the last dress that I got. And I also got some accessories that I have to show you, and the hairband goes right with this dress. So this is the headband that I'm talking about. I mean, look at the color, they are meant to go together. So ये Miu Miu जैसा लगता है, लेकिन ये Min Min है. I think you inverted है. So I'm gonna wear this right now. Like, look at this. This goes so well with the dress, and the color is like, it feels like both of them I got it in a pair, but मैंने separately लिया. So maybe I'll wear both of this together, but this is such a cute look. And I also got bunch of this 3 set claw clips. The colors are so pretty, and they are doing their job. I mean, I'm using this one right now, so ये बहुत अच्छे से मेरे बाल को पूरा ऊपर उठा लेता है. I have to fix this. This is like so huge and perfect for summer. Next is something that is related to phones. ये dress से बिल्कुल related नहीं है, so fashion से related नहीं है, I mean, but you're supposed to keep your phone here, and आप आराम से लेट के, I think ये इसमें जाता है. Yeah, this is how it looks, so cute. So you can keep your phone here, and you can just lay down and watch your movies, or आप edit भी कर सकते हो यहाँ पे लेट के. So this is like so cute. I got this in pink again.
I also got this metallic flower detail phone case, and ये थोड़ा mirror वाला effect देता है. So if you want to do touch up, you don't have to get mirror separate से. That's why I like this one.
So yeah, that is for the haul today. I am very sorry for all the background noises. The kids here makes so much noise. Right now my baby is out for a play date, So I am filming this right now, but the sun is setting and I have to end this video. I really hope you do enjoy, and I love all the outfit. You can definitely go for any of them. They are so cute and so pretty. I'm telling you, you have to have trust on me. I am just, this dress is a bit like itchy. Other than that, all of the dress are really cute and really summer appropriate, also for maternity and also for not maternity. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Bye.